Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to lock iPhone with voice on iPhone iOS 18. So if you're using iOS 18 on your iPhone, you just want to say lock iPhone or lock my iPhone, and you want your iPhone to automatically perform this command or action without using Siri, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to lock iPhone with your voice on iOS 18, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on settings page, just scroll down and click on accessibility. Now once you've selected accessibility, you want to scroll down the page until you get to focus shortcut. Then if you already set up a shortcut here, just go ahead and click on add action. And if you're a first timer, let's say you do not have any shortcut set up, just click on set up focus shortcut. Then once you selected that, go ahead and click on continue once you see set up focus shortcut. And now here, scroll down to the system page and locate lock screen. You can also search for lock screen under choose action here, search for lock screen. So select lock screen and then come to customize phrase and type the phrase you want to say to lock your screen. So you can just say lock screen or lock my iPhone screen like this. Then go ahead and click on go. Once you hit the go button, you can say lock my iPhone screen. Lock my iPhone screen. Lock my iPhone screen. So you have to say this 3 consecutive times to recognize your voice, and once you're done, go ahead and click on continue. Now you can now exit this page. Now when next you want to lock your iPhone with your voice, all you just need to say lock my iPhone screen. Lock my iPhone screen. Is that? Then you may need to repeat lock my iPhone screen for multiple times before your iPhone can recognize your voice. Lock my iPhone screen. Lock my iPhone screen. So that is basically how to lock iPhone screen with your voice on iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.